What's up, everyone? Here live with our 10-box Fanatics exclusive blaster break of Prizm football. One sec, get off and open this here. And we've got one more break this afternoon. Our 9-box player break of Stars and Stripes baseball. Alright, box one. Here we go, 24 cards a box. 1 silver, 5 oranges. And our Fanatics exclusive blasters. Here we go. Box one. Good luck. Here we go. So 5 orange ices in each box. 50 total. And looking for Brock Purdy, Kenneth Walker, Jahan Dotson, Sam Howell, Garrett Wilson. Bunch of names in here. Alrighty, box one. Good luck. Richie Grant, Landry orange ice for the Saints. Silver Minka Fitzpatrick for the Steelers. Josh Allen Brilliance. Danny Gray orange ice for the 49ers. Lewis Kine. Lamar Jackson orange ice for the Ravens. Kurt Warner. Kirk Cousins orange ice for the Vikings. Romeo Dobbs. And red rookie for the Bills, Khair Alam. Khair Alam on the red rookie. Unnumbered. Retail exclusive red. Nice hit for the Bills. Jelani Woods, orange ice. Final hit there out of box one. Number 2. Here we go. Lamar Jackson, Mike Williams, orange ice. Calvin Austin III. Relic for the Ravens, Kyle Hamilton. Silver relic. Baltimore Ravens here. Trent McDuffie for the Chiefs. Harold Landry. Dallas Goedert, silver. Mahomes, fireworks. For the Steelers, George Pickens on the orange ice rookie for the Steelers. Nice hits. There we go. Out of box 2, George Pickens, orange ice for the Steelers. Bump the alarm right here. Brock Purdy, base rookie. David Montgomery, orange ice for the Bears. That wraps up number 2. Shaquille Leonard, orange ice. Jake Ferguson, orange ice for the Cowboys. Kelsey, Terry Bradshaw, orange ice. Rich Gannon, silver for the Raiders. Samir White, orange ice for the Raiders. John Pascal, rookie. Final orange ice, Cordell Patterson. Out of box 3. That will wrap up the box here. Touch our base here real quick. Box 4. Number 4, good luck. Max Crosby, orange ice. Relic for the Steelers, George Pickens. Silver relic for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Here out of number 4. Tariq Woolen, orange ice for the Seahawks. Parker, orange ice for the Patriots. Kenny Pickett, base. TJ Watt, silver for the Steelers. Pickens, emergent for the Steelers. Orange ice, Carson Strong for the Eagles. Chris Olave. And Trey Hendrickson. Final orange ice out of box number 4. Box 5. Alright, Kareem Hunt, Nelson Aguilar, Zach Wilson, hype, Brian Robinson Jr., orange ice, Jesse Bates, orange ice, Reggie Wayne, orange ice for the Colts, Jake Ferguson, Mike Ditka, Carl Loftus, orange ice for the Chiefs, and relic for the Seahawks, Kenneth Walker Jr. on the Prizm silver relic for the Seahawks. Here here out of box 5. That wraps up box 5. 5 here to go. Box 6. Here we go. Number 6. CeeDee Lamb orange ice for the Cowboys. Dante Hall orange ice for the Chiefs. Thornton orange ice for the Patriots. Peyton Manning. Wirfs orange ice for the Bucks. Ty Chandler rookie silver for the Vikings. Amon-Ra hype. Rashad White orange ice for the Bucks. That will wrap up box 6 here. Number 7. Alright, Denzel Ward, Alex Smith, orange ice. Out of 99 for the Patriots, Pierre Strong Jr. on the rookie silver auto. Relic patch auto for the Patriots, 26 out of 99. Nice hit. Out of blaster number 7. Alright, Drake Jackson orange ice. McNabb orange ice. Silver Jalen Hurts for the Eagles. Remainder of number 7, Skylar Thompson for the Dolphins. Khalil Mack, Jordan Poyer for the Bills. That will wrap up box 7. 3 here to go. Box 8. Number 8. Good luck. Josh Allen, silver. Garrett Wilson, base. Thibodeau, orange ice for the Giants. Godare, orange ice, Eagles. Silver, Devin Singletary for the Bills. Kyle Pitts, Prizm break. Jamal Williams, orange ice for the Lions. Trey McBride, orange ice for the Cardinals. That will wrap up number 8. Box 9. Number 9, here we go. Terrell, orange ice for the Falcons. David Carr, orange ice for the Texans. Davis Price, orange ice for the 49ers. Jonathan Allen, orange ice for the Commanders. Kenneth Walker, base. Silver, Velus Jones Jr. for the Bears. Jamar Chase, brilliance. Devontae Wyatt, orange ice. Jermaine Johnson. That will wrap up number 9. Quick and easy here with number 9. One box here to go. Alright, box 10. Good luck. Number 10. Keenan Allen for the Chargers. Relic for the Falcons, Drake London. Rookie relic. Atlanta Falcons there. Drake London, rookie silver relic. Here we go for the 49ers, Brock Purdy. That's the one we've been looking for. Brock Purdy, orange ice for the San Francisco 49ers. Nice card for the 49ers there. Purdy moving into Hulk. Bump the Purdy base. Alright, Dick Butkus. Winfield Jr. orange ice. Silver Nick Bosa for the 49ers. Jalen Burks Prizm break. Jameson Williams orange ice for the Lions. Jameson Williams for the Lions. Sam Howell Prizm. And Baker Mayfield Orange Ice to wrap out box number 10 and the break here. And that will do it for our 10 Fanatics blasters of Prizm Football. Appreciate you guys hanging out for this one. I'll be going here on a quick recap. Stash our base real quick. Alright, silvers here first. Bosa, 49ers, Jones, Bears, Singletary, Bills, Chandler, Vikings, Wyatt, Steelers, Gannon, Raiders, Godare, Eagles, Fitzpatrick, Steelers. Base, rookies, and inserts. Howell, Commanders, Kenneth Walker, Seahawks, Wilson, Jets, Pickett, Steelers, Olave, Saints, Pickens, Emergent, Steelers. Some more hits. Jameson Williams, Orange Ice, Lions, Birdie Base, 49ers, Hertz, Silver, Eagles, Relics, London, Falcons, Hamilton, Ravens, Pickens, Steelers. Bunch of Orange Ices. I'll just scroll through these here. Winfield, Wyatt, Carr, Terrell, Williams, Allen, McNabb, Aguilar, Jelani Woods, Cordell Patterson, Mike Williams, Lamar Jackson. So 50 Orange Ices there. Their total through the break. And your showcase. Kahir Alam on the rookie red for the Bills. Kenneth Walker, rookie Prizm relic for the Seahawks. Pierce Strong Jr., Prizm RPA for the Patriots out of 99. 26 out of 99 for the New England Patriots. George Pickens, Orange Ice, rookie for the Steelers. Your Hulk Smash hit of the break. Brock Purdy on the orange rookie ice for the 49ers. Nice hit. Beautiful card headed to the 49ers. That will wrap up the break here for our 10 boxes of Prizm Football. We will see you guys back here in a little while with some USA baseball. So we will see you guys then. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.